We're thrilled to be here. There's thousands of people lined up here in Brawley. We're very happy. I'm here with my wife, my son, and Mr. Don Campbell. Couldn't be happier today. I'm just glad everybody's out here and enjoying the day.
I think it's really great this year. It's actually longer than all the other years. And a lot of people came out, so it's really good. I liked it. Yeah. I live in Nyland, so our parade is probably like 20-15 minutes long, the Tomato Festival, and this one's different. It has a lot of events, a lot of, you know, the bands from different schools and everything. So it's bigger and better, and it's something to come and watch.
Oh, I like it when people cheer for you and they appreciate you, and it feels nice because you're just pouring your heart out into the music. It's amazing. And everybody just comes here together to have a very good time, and there's a lot of, like, it ranges, and I love it.
The parade was very interesting. They had very good floats for this valley. It had also good bands from the high schools and the small schools too, also the middle schools and such, and a lot of little presentations from the kids, which were very, very, very interesting. It's more heritage because of the cattle call. And it's spurned from the cattle call, more or less, and that's essentially what it is.